What's up, guys? I got this 1974 Dodge Sportsman van here. This is a short wheelbase van, which is a much more desirable version of this van. As you can see, this van is in really nice shape. The paint on it is beautiful. It shines everywhere. It doesn't have any rust. This is probably the cleanest one I've ever seen. It's got nice wheels on it. The grille is mint, the chrome, the bumper is mint. It's got a 318 engine, automatic transmission. You can see the rocker panels, they're all perfect. There's no rust, no bubbles, nothing like that. The floor and the frame. You'd be hard pressed to find another one of these vans from the 70s this clean. See, the back bumper is the same as the front. It's perfect. American Racing wheels. And the floor on this side is just like the other side. No holes, no rust, no patches or anything like that. The rocker panels, they're all clean. The owner of this van is still using it, so there's still stuff inside of it. Runs and drives great. This would make an awesome camper van. See, it starts right up. It's got headers on it, dual exhaust, so it sounds really good. Motor runs nice and smooth. Got the aluminum ladder on the back, the aluminum rack on the roof there. Comes under the hood. It's got a newer battery, newer aluminum radiator, newer alternator.